Hello, this is another demo about network-bound disk encryption, NBDE and Cockpit. This is the third, but I'll pretend the first two do not exist, so I start from the beginning. If you have an encrypted partition or disk on your system, there's now a new row here labeled network keys, and this is how you can bind your disk to a tang server. You have to know the URL of that server. This is where mine is, and you have to type in the passphrase of your disk. And then Cockpit will get the key from the server, but in general this is not a trusted network connection, and you get instructions of how to verify the signature on that key and how to gain trust that this is the correct key. And so we can just trust it now, and it will be added to the disk. This means now when you unlock the disk, you don't have to type the passphrase in, and the network server will be used to unlock it. This of course can also happen during boot, etc. Easy operation is to remove the key, and should we do that? No. So there is another more interesting button, is the check button. It will try if the key works currently. Now the key is okay because we know that because we have just unlocked the disk with it. But if we hop over to the terminal on the key server, we can, for example, stop the tang service, the socket actually. And now Cockpit cannot reach that server, and you get this message, but it doesn't mean that anything is wrong. You can start it again and just verify that the key now works again. Yep, key is okay. And now you might want to rotate the key on the server. You can do that by going to the database directory of tang. There are two keys here, and I think we have just bound the disk to key 1. So we can now make that key obsolete by moving it to a hidden file name like this. And it should still work, so we can still unlock the disk. The key is still there, but the server doesn't want you to use it anymore, and this means it should be replaced with a new key. And because both keys have been signed by the same key, Cockpit can do the rollover seamlessly without any fuss, and we do that now. And if we check the key now, it's okay again. But what happens if we roll back to the second key, and let's try to create a new signature key as well. I have to find the command for that. This is something not like this. Oh, there, this one. About. Let's just override the signature key. So, and now we have a different case. Now Cockpit cannot verify that this is a correct or trusted key, and we have to do the same dance as we had to do in the beginning and verify the signature manually. I think that's it. Let's remove the key. And thanks a lot. See you next time.